All right, learners, in this video, I'll be taking you through the group data for grade 10. This is covering also in grade 11, but I'm focusing this a grade 10 lesson where we are revising statistics. Now, in this question, traffic authorities are concerned that heavy vehicles, trucks are often overloaded. In order to deal with this problem, a number of weight bridges have been set up along the major roads in South Africa. The gross, which is total vehicle mass, is measured at the weight bridges. The histogram below shows the data collecting at a weight bridge over a month. So that is the information that we're having. Now write down the modal class of the data. What is the modal class, learners? Is the one with the highest frequency. You see? Let me write here 2.1, the one with the highest frequency, the one with the highest frequency. So which one is having the highest frequency? The model class, I can see is between, is this one. You see, the highest frequency is 103, so it's between here. So the answer is going to be 250, or rather 2.5 less or equal to x less than 4.5. Okay, so that is the information that we are having. Now, 2.2, estimate the mean gross vehicle mass for the one. Now we are looking for the mean. So when we look for a mean, 5 marks, you can see this 5 marks. What are we supposed to do, learners? So we're going to draw a frequency table. We're going to draw a frequency table. Okay, I'm going to draw a frequency table. Right. With the frequency table. Right. I think my right drawing is not doing. Okay, even if it's not clear, let's try. Yeah. Okay. We're drawing a frequency table class so that we can be able to populate this information in a table. Um, all right, with this information, what are we going to do? The first one is the interval, okay? The first one is the interval. I'm going to say this is for that gross. I'm talking about the mass, the interval of the mass. And then here I write frequency. And then here I'm going to write midpoint. And then here I'm going to write frequency multiplied by midpoint. I hope this is clear. What do you do here, learners? Here you write your interval. This part you write your interval less than 4.5. You see, I took this one. You see, this is the first part I took. Then you take the next one, the 4.5 less or equal to 6.5. You see, and then here you say 6.5 less or equal to 8.5. And then here 8.5 less or equal to 10,500. Okay, 10,500 less or equal to 12,500. You see, and then I think we have our last part. think we have our last part. What is our last part that we're going to have? It will be 12,500 less or equal to 14,500. So you will try to see what I'm writing. I'm writing those ones, okay? And then that is 103, and then frequency 19, and this one we're having 70. This is 7, and this is 85, and this is what? 99. Is given up there. Now you add the two. Let me give you an example for what I'm going to write here. You say this one, yeah, 2.5 plus 4.5 divide by 2. The answer you're going to get, it will be 3.5, 3,500. Then you write here. You get this one, you add this mess there. And then here it will be 5500. And then this one will be 7500. And then this one will be 9500. And then this one will be 11,500. And this one will be 13,500. Okay, now we multiply these two. We say 103 multiplied by 3.5. That is what we're going to be getting the answers here. It will be 360,500. Then even here, you multiply these two and then write the answer there. It will be 104,500. You do the same here, 525,000. And then the next one, 731,500. And then the next one, 977,500. The last one, 133,500. Right, so now let's go to the sum. I'm gonna write sum here. The total for this one is 453 if you add there, okay? And then for this one, it's 4,035,500. That is the sum, right? So how do you get the mean? The mean is 4,035,000. Oh, there are two fives, 55, and then over 453. Then the final answer will be 8,908,39 kg. 5 marks. You see, that's how you do it. You are supposed to look at it this way. Then, yeah, straightforward. Let's go to the next question, 2.2. What are they saying? Which of the measures of central tendency, the modal class or estimated mean, will be the most appropriate to describe the data set? Explain your answer. That's mean, okay? That's what class? That's mean. Why? It is more at the center of the data. You see? It is more at the center of the data. Is more at center of data. It gives you the average. All right, learners, till we meet on the next video, I hope you're going to enjoy this. All right.